Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you looking for a prestigious university in Italy where you can study your masters in English at an affordable tuition fee? In this video, I'll be introducing you to University of Florence in Italy, one of the top public university in the country with a long history of academic excellence. The University of Florence offers several master's degree programs taught in English across fields such as engineering, economics, environmental science, data science, and international relations. This program attracts thousands of international students every year who want to study in Italy and gain a global recognized degree. One of the advantages of studying at this university is that they relatively have affordable tuition fee compared to many other European universities. Tuition fees generally range from about €156 to €3,000 per year, depending on the program and the student's financial category. In addition to affordable tuition, the university also offers different scholarship opportunities and financial aids that can help international students reduce their overall study costs. And in this video, I will guide you through the master's program offered in English at the University of Florence, the tuition fee structure, admission requirements, and complete step-by-step application process for international students. So if you are planning to study in Italy and want to apply for this university, make sure you watch this video to the end because I will also share important tips that can help you increase. I will also share important tips that can help you increase your chances of getting admitted. Let's get to the video. So the first thing you're going to do is that you click on University of Florence and you see it will bring you this. Then University of Florence apply online. Just click on it. Then let us open in a new tab. So click on it. It will bring you to their page. So let's scroll down to see what is there. See browse program. Different programs are available. You can scroll down to check. So let's go to browse the program and apply. Click on it. So you can see different programs. Some are in English, some are in Italian. So we are going for English Thoughts program. So let's scroll down to see the others. Okay. So you can see non-EU applicants residing abroad. That's what you are going to click. So scroll down a little. We are trying to figure out the English Thoughts and the Italian Thoughts program. So okay. Let's go back up. Then I will go for School of Mathematical, Physical and Natural Science. So let's click on apply now. So it will take you to the Dream ID part. So if you're a new applicant, you can click on the new applicant, but I've applied before. So I put my password, I sign in. So it will take me to this point. So you can see, agree, continue. So now we start filling the details. So this is your course, this is the program. So go to profile, fill everything. You need to fill your passport number, issue date, expiring date. If you have your ID card, your date of birth and all, gender. Then after filling this, so go to your contacts, then put your street address, put everything. Put your telephone here. Go to education. Put your level of education, bachelor's, your program name, your country, Nigeria, school name, study language, put English there, program name, awarded qualification, diploma name, diploma issue dates. Then go to languages. So native languages, I'll just choose English. Foreign language, I'll just put English too. Then proficiency, I'll put the C2. Experience, you can just put the number of years of experience that you have, the proof, and the score. So the proof, you're going to pick if it's IELTS or TOEFL you have or anyone. Just pick it and then we go to references. Put your references full name and the email, and then after putting, then ask for your reference. So motivation, you can write your motivation. You can start to paste and write it outside and paste, or you can write it here. Then please write at least 350 word, but not more than 700. Then let's see documents. You can upload your documents here. You can drag and drop, or you can click on this. So it will bring out a folder. You can start to choose any document you want to upload and then upload. Then others can put medical info in case you have medical info, additional requests, information source. Just make sure you read everything well. Then I'll put university websites. You can put anything else if it's not there. Then the checklist. This one will show you the ones that you have completely or successfully applied to. So time until deadline is 1 month. Is in 1 month. So go through everything. Go to the program back. Then after all this, you check your details. Then you can click on submit. This is how you apply to the University of Florence. This is one of the most straightforward university you can apply to. Very, very straightforward. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share to your friends so that you can follow me more for more updates. Thank you.